Hey guys, Flame Jammer here, and got a really easy project. We purchased a Bambu 3D printer, and one of the issues with said printer, the lighting on it is really bad. So that is the light, and you can see just a row of LEDs in there, and I don't know, it just seems like it should be brighter than that. So we purchased Panda Lux, see if I can zoom in on it, Panda Lux LED upgrade kit. And I'm recording this because it's supposed to be super easy to install. So the only things I did to start with is this is the AMS unit that holds the 4 colors, and there's a glass plate that pops up here, and the glass plate just comes off. So first things first, turn off the printer, and then right here inside, I'll turn on my headlamp, right inside here this tape covers, and you pull it back and see how that's stuck to it. See if I can, where can I set this? See if this actually works. I might be in the way of this whole shot, but essentially I just very carefully peeled that back like so. And you push this kind of out of the way. There's this red and black wire right here, and there's a little part. My hands might be too big to do this, but you squeeze a little catch right there, and she should pop loose. Let's see if I can get the wires to pull out a little bit. There we go, just like that. And right on top. So, pop that off. A little QR code. Little piece of foam. Pop the foam. You have this guy. This is the new light. The same plug. However, I'm not sure why you have to use this, but there is a little adapter here. So it only goes in to one of these. I'm trying to figure out, there we go. Only goes into one of them. And then this gets plugged into this guy as well. Again, only one of them. And then the light gets plugged into one. And I think the purpose of this, there we go. The purpose of doing this is so you can have both lights going. That guy is just a magnet, so it just sits like that. And then this plug, move this stuff back. This would be a lot easier if I wasn't trying to record, because I could just reach in and grab it, but there we go. Then turn it back on. No liquid smoke. There you go, look at the difference. Huge difference. Running both lights. Beautiful. And then all as you do, there's enough room in here to tuck all these wires. I'll do it off camera, but you tuck them all in, put the tape back. This guy actually has some 2-sided tape if you want to use it. And there you go. Quick, fast, easy upgrade to your Bambu printer. You guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want other quick little videos like this, let me know. Have a great day, and remember, land safely.